Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Monkey Mark, and I'm back to doing an enveloping of an item. Now what do I have on this one? Enough chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside. Like now. Alrighty folks, so what the heck was in that envelope? Where is it? Where's the item in question? It's right here. Here it is. An 11 by 17 signed Iron Eagle poster, signed by Louis Gossett Jr. as Charles Chappie Sinclair. Only his character name is Chappie, but it's Colonel Charles Chappie Sinclair. In the sequel, he is Generals Charles Chappie Sinclair. So yeah, here it is. A Louis Gossett Jr. Chappie signed 11 by 10 poster from the 1986 hit film Iron Eagle. So yeah, if anybody hasn't seen Iron Eagle, please watch it, guys. I mean, you could either rent it on YouTube or you can go ahead and or I leave you a link in the description box for a different site to watch it. I'm telling you guys, this is indeed a fun movie. It also has Jason Gedrick, David Shute, Larry B. Scott, Carolina Lardflit, and Tim Thomerson. All right, Jason Gedrick is the one right here. He plays Doug Masters. And if you see on that wrist of his, he's wearing a Porsche design watch. I'm guessing that is it. Coincidentally, 1986 was a big year in fighter pilot movies. Only this one was released in January, slated to be released in the summer, but unfortunately, Paramount movies like Top Gun starring Tom Cruise, yeah, they didn't want a competition with fighter pilot movies, so they released this one in January. So yeah. And what else? And I assume that he is wearing that the hero Chappie is wearing a Rolex, not a Submariner, but a GMT Master, or one of the incarnations of the GMT Master line, or maybe a Submariner. I'm not so sure, but it is a Rolex though. And what else? And if anybody hasn't seen Iron Eagle, the story is about the Colonel Ted Masters is doing a routine flight exercise when he's being ambushed by enemy fighters, and then suddenly they get ambushed. One gets away. Colonel Masters gets caught and then put on trial for air territorial violations, and it's up to his teenage son Doug and Colonel Charles Chappie Sinclair, a reservist who works as a mechanic, by the way, not as a full-time colonel, but he had stated his help to go and rescue his father after he's been put on trial and found guilty of territorial violation. He is sentenced to death, and they gotta do something before it's too late. So yeah, need fighter pilot suits and two fighter planes for a rescue mission. So yeah, it's a great hit film, by the way. The sequels are fun, by the way. I don't care what anyone says about the sequels. They're like fun stories. There is nothing to kid or lie about. So yeah. So if anybody's seen Iron Eagle, let me know in the comments. Those who haven't, I'll leave you the link in the description box. So yeah. But also, we recently lost Louis Gossett Jr. this year. Dang it. And there was going to be a fifth one, but up to date, Iron Eagle 4 was the last film to have the character of Chappie in it. And to see the character of Doug, but he was played by a different actor. So yeah, RIP to Louis Gossett Jr. But all in all, man, his trademark and roles is playing authority characters. So yeah, RIP to Chappie. So yeah, before signing off, y'all, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, the toy collectors. Did I say autograph collectors? Yeah, all you collectors out there. Shouts to all you collectors out there. Also, let's give a shout, especially shouts to my subscribers. You know who you are. Shouts to you guys. So yeah, and if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the content of the video, comments down below. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, this is Sparking. And also I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours. It depends on which time, but keep an eye on YouTube community daily. So keep an eye on that, folks. So yeah, anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Tuesday and later. Iron Eagle.